I take great pleasure in you know releasing this book today. It's by Padam sir and four of his very brilliant co-authors. This is a promise that Padam sir had made to the chamber. And I'm sure that everyone will actually like this, savor this, and use this as a reference point for quite a long time.
Great learning experience they are sharing with us, and I'm sure all of us are going to benefit in a big way.
We thought of starting this year with this PE book. So with the blessing of all the author, including the stalwart Padam sir, we dedicate this book to you.
One is always a student and never a master, as this helps him keep moving forward. And true to their word, they have raised very thought-provoking issues in their book.
We are having a very eminent team of authors who have dealt with this so-called complex subject as such. We look forward to learn many things from this publication.
The concept of PE has entered our domestic legislation also. It is no longer confined within the realms of the tax treaties. You can see our own amendment in recent past. Some of the concepts of PE has been incorporated in the Act itself.
We have the business connection concept being broadened, whereby the date is no more physical today. We have SEP coming in, where economic presence has become the new norm. Intention is loud and clear. The objective is aggressive tax collection. The problem lies in the war of semantics, which still continues to haunt us.
The book then thereafter, apart from commenting upon the core article and the commentary, and at times even challenging some of the propositions which are laid down, deals with a particular situation. How will it look when we are looking at different treaty concerns?
Through this book, we have tried to analyze various current and future technologies like artificial intelligence, data, software, cloud computing, and try to identify and address issues which is arising through this.
Our attempt would be to give some sort of a material for people to reflect on, such that once they are able to have an idea with them, possibly validate, possibly concur, possibly take it forward. If that were to happen, we believe that our purpose of entire effort of writing this book, which was a very enriching experience, would be achieved. I thank my co-authors on this matter for a wonderful journey, and I also thank the chambers for taking this opportunity of accommodating our request and ensuring that this publication comes to see the light of the day.